Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see your card number on the Wells Fargo app. Alright, so let's begin with the video. As you might be aware, the newest version of Wells Fargo through the mobile app was released, and you have plenty of new features in there as well as a better visual look. One feature that was missing from the previous versions, and a lot of users have requested, is the option to see your card number fully revealed through the mobile app. As you might be aware, if you go inside of the app, select your credit card account. You will only be able to see the last 4 digits of your credit card number. Usually, these apps do not allow you to see the phone number for security reasons. So inside of the latest version of the Wells Fargo app, is it possible to see the full card number and review it? If you need to use the card and you can't find your physical card, or you are having issues remembering the card number, unfortunately, as it stands today, because of security concerns, it is not possible to see your card number on the Wells Fargo app. Like most apps, as I explained, they consider it a security issue. If you are allowed to see your full card number to the mobile app or even the website. Because of this, they do not allow you to see the full card number, and there is no option to reveal it. While you can block your card or remove the card, and you can ask for assistance regarding the state of the card, you are not able to see the full details about the card, including the card number. So the only option that you have is to either find the physical card or ask for it to be removed and ask to be issued a new card through the Wells Fargo customer support. Like I said, there is no workaround today, and you are not able to see your full card number on the Wells Fargo app. So that's basically how you can see your card number on the Wells Fargo app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.